Here's a Hitachi boom. This is probably well, it's the matching color. So this would be the one off of that UH-181. Anybody ever wanted to see inside a boom? They do have box sections, a couple of them. It's before the bends and the radiuses. So it's 3/8 steel. It's still got lots of life left in it for robbing parts and patterns out of. Top of the radius is 3/4, it's a little thicker. Now the inherent problem with the older Hitachi and Cat 235 booms was they were a yoke style. So all the weight was on these two little 4-inch bosses instead of all the way across like a new one would be. So I don't think they were the best idea. I think they were a horrible idea. There's why. Centralized all the load onto two small points. And then when they get old and sloppy, they start hammering and banging away and impacting. That hardened steel breaks. And one last look at this pretty UH-14.